So CUT UG 2025 aspirants general aptitude test reasoning important part rapid revision series. चलिए क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करते हैं, पास्ट ईयर क्वेश्चन डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. एज ऑलवेज ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट बिफोर यू सी द सॉल्यूशन. So wrong number in the given series is 7, 28, 63 or 124. Which is a wrong number? Think. The answer to this would be third option, 28. How? See, 7. 7 is 2 cube minus 1, 8 minus 1. This is the wrong number. Let's see 63. 63. This is 4 cube minus 1, which is 64 minus 1. 124 is 125 minus 1, which is 5 cube minus 1. 215 is 6 cube minus 1, which is 216 minus 1. 342 is 7 cube minus 1, 343 minus 1. 511 is 8 cube minus 1, which is 512 minus 1. So that means this number should have been 3 cube minus 1, which is 27 minus 1, 26, but it is 28. This is 3 cube plus 1, 27 plus 1. So definitely this is the wrong number as per the logic in the other numbers. ठीक है, third option is the correct answer. ये वाला क्वेश्चन देखिए, find the missing number in the following figure. Pause the video, try to solve it. This is the figure in which missing number is there. तो क्या लॉजिक होगा देखिए आप. चलिए सोचते हैं इसको. Now this is 5 plus 4, 9 plus 3, 12, and 12 into 3 is 36. 12 3 is 36. ये लॉजिक है, देखते हैं सेकंड में अप्लाई होता है. 3 plus 7 is 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 into 4 is 44. परफेक्ट, लॉजिक लग गया. अब इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 9, 22. So 22 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे ताकि 44 बने? 22 into 2 is 44. So this number, missing number, will have to be 2. Answer is D option. Clear है? You can see this. This one, in the given analogy, choose the number which will replace the question mark. देखिए, again pause the video, try to solve it first before you see the solution. WSH is to 5, so KMJ is to what? Let's see the letters with their positioning. Because there are 26 letters, so A से लेकर Z तक उसकी positioning. ये लिखना हमेशा benefit रहता है ऐसे कोडिंग बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस में जहां पर लेटर्स हैं. तो देखें व्हाट इज W. सो W is 23. W is 23. ठीक है. देन S. व्हाट इज S? S is 19. S is 19. देन व्हाट इज H? H is 8. 8. ऐड करके देखें इसको. 23 plus 8. 23 plus 8 is 31. 31 plus 19 is 50. तो 5 है तो मीन्स 5 plus 0 is 5. तो पहले लेटर्स को ऐड कर देते हैं, देन उसका सिंगल डिजिट फाइंड करना है. डिजिटल सम 50, 5 plus 0 is 5. ठीक है, इसको अप्लाई करते हैं KMJ में भी. सो K देखें क्या है. सो वी हैव K एज 11. उसके बाद M is 13 and J is 10. So this is 11 plus 13 is 24 plus 10. 24 plus 10 is 34. So 34 is 3 plus 4, 7. So this has to be 7 by the logic. So answer is B option, which is the correct answer. ठीक है, चलिए, all the best. पढ़ते रहिए, बढ़ते रहिए. God bless you. Thank you.